Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox money. Robux is the virtual currency that powers the entire Roblox platform, enabling countless possibilities. You can acquire Robux in several ways, including direct purchases, through a Roblox Premium subscription, or by earning it from selling your own creations. Once you have Robux, you unlock a world of customization and unique experiences, making your time on Roblox even more engaging and personalized. One of the primary ways to use your Robux is within the vast array of games available. Many experiences offer game passes, which grant you special access, unique abilities, or exclusive areas for a one-time purchase. You can also buy a wide variety of in-game items, from powerful weapons and helpful tools to adorable virtual pets, enhancing your gameplay and giving you an edge over other players. Your avatar is your identity on Roblox, and Robux allows for extensive customization. You can browse a massive catalog of clothing, including shirts, pants, and hats, along with countless accessories like wings, glasses, and elaborate hairstyles. Beyond appearance, you can also purchase unique animations and emotes to give your avatar distinct movements and expressions, truly making your character one of a kind and reflecting your personal style. Beyond personal purchases, Robux can also be used to fuel creativity, allowing you to create and promote your own games, reaching a wider audience. A Roblox Premium subscription offers a monthly Robux stipend and exclusive items, providing great value for frequent players. Remember to always prioritize safety. Never share your password or personal details, and be wary of any offers that seem too good to be true. Protecting your account and your Robux.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.